Hi guys, my name is Rahul and today we are going to unbox the latest device on Realme, the Realme X. So this is the Realme X box. Let us go into the backside where there might be some specs mentioned there. So this is the space screen variant Realme X 4GB 120GB variant. It's a made in India phone. I really wanted the white version, but unfortunately that was not available. So here it is. Camera is 48 MB plus 5 MB rear, front camera is 16 MB, screen size is 6.5 inch, battery is 3765 mAh. The price is given as 18,000 and it is made by Oppo Mobile Private Limited in India. So Realme X actually comes in two colors, space blue and polar white. Polar white was sold out very fast, so I was not able to get that. So I have the space blue version. It is a 4GB version with 120GB internal and it costs 17,000. And there is also 8GB RAM version with the same storage 120GB which costs 20,000. It actually goes on sale in Flipkart and Realme on July 24th, but there was a first sale actually happened 3 days or 4 days back. Then there is also another few versions like Realme X Master Edition, that is onion and garlic version, which has 8GB 120GB storage and costs 20,000. And there is also a Realme X Spider-Man Far From Home gift box edition that has 8GB RAM and 20GB storage and it costs 21,000. I actually had some hands-on with these devices, few of these devices, so I will be adding that on end of the video. So inside the box, as usual, there is envelope and then we have the phone. We are going to power on and put it on one side, and now we can dive into the envelope. So we have the usual paper things that we don't read, the quick guide, service guide, then there is the sim ejector tool. So yeah, so that is that. So then there is a very different cover. It's kind of plastic, hard plastic cover. It's different. I personally think like the transparent cover from Realme in the previous boxes, because it shows off the colors, and also these are not glass phones, so it will also provide safety for the phone from scratches, but also you can show off the design. So then we have, okay, this is really hard to get. Come on. Okay, I'm not getting bored. It should be removed. Actually, it's really tight. We will get into it. Okay, I got it. So, okay, so we have finally. Okay, there is some protection too. So we have finally a USB Type C cable on Realme X. So Realme X is the first device with USB Type C port in India for Realme. So nice. Then there is obviously the VOOC charger, which is kind of an 18 watt or 20 watt charger. So that is that. It's a 20 watt charger. It's VOOC 3.0 charger, so it can fully charge the phone in 78 minutes. We will see in that. Okay, so let me put everything inside the box and we can dive into the phone. Okay, let me put it there. So let's peel off the plastics first. So okay, there is another plastic. Let me remove that too. So this is a blue color. As I mentioned in the previous unboxing, I have so many blue color phones unboxed. It's look good. It's a gradient glass, so there is some kind of an S-shaped curve if the light falls from the sides. But yeah, it looks good. It's plastic, but it looks good. So on the back there is a 48 MP MX586 camera, then there's 5 MP depth sensor, then flash, then the Realme logo, and on the top there is the pop-up camera. Okay, so then there is the microphone, primary microphone. I hope you can see that. I mean, zoom in. So you can see, right, the pop-up camera and the microphone you are able to see, right? And on the bottom you can see that there is the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, secondary microphone and the headphone jack. And on the sides you can see that there is a volume rocker keys. On the other side there is this power button which has a different color. I mean, it looks nice. And there is the SIM slot. It's a dual SIM slot and there is no micro SD card support. So I have set it up the device, try the in-display fingerprint scanner. Doom. So here we have a full screen 6.53-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. It looks good. There is very less bezels and only small notch. Let's go into the settings first. So okay, in the about phone you can say that it's a Realme X. It has ColorOS version 6, Android version 9. Processor is Snapdragon 720 octa-core processor, RAM 4 GB and 105 GB available out of 120 GB, and Android security patch is June. So let's go into the camera. So we don't have any fancy triple camera setup or anything like that. It has only a single camera that can, it's a 14 MP, the other one is a 5 MP depth sensor. So it's a usual ColorOS camera. There is nothing different in here. So scene recognition is inside there. There's a video mode, photo mode, and the portrait mode. And there's another section like nightscape, panorama, expert mode, time lapse, and everything. It can record up to 4K, but there is no stabilization in 4K. Then there is 1080p. There is stabilization, so it can click pictures very fast. Now let's see. I have mentioned that it can record up to 4K, but there is no EIS on 4K. Let's go into the front camera now. Pop up. It's cool, nice. But I think Redmi phone has a personality because it has this lights on the pop-up camera. It makes it look different. I mean, it's nice. So you can record up to 1080p and there is few options like portrait mode and the usual thing. Personally, I think Realme actually provide nice selfie photos. In the Realme 3 Pro also, I really prefer the selfies from Realme 3 Pro than other devices at that price range because they have great HDR and everything. Let me put on the cover. It's a really tight cover. I'm really struggling to get it done. I will put it once it's not getting inside. I think it's a safe cover if you put it in. I don't think there will be any scratches or anything in the cover, but the cover is too tight, so I'm really struggling to put it inside. It's not easy. Okay, okay, I put it inside and there is also plastics here. Okay, I made a mess. I have to remove that to clear. It's a plastic case. It is a snug fit case. You can see that it was really tough to get it inside. Okay, so here we have the unboxing is over. I will be putting some camera samples. Also, I will be adding a few samples of the Onion, the Masters Edition phones, like which was designed by Naoto Fukasawa. That is the onion and garlic white colors with unique patterns. Personally, I really like the onion and the garlic color really well. So enjoy that. So thank you for watching the video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.